Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will discuss how to enable notifications. The notification feature enables users to receive desktop alerts for specific events. These notifications appear on the screen and can either be dismissed by the user or will automatically close after 10 seconds. Clients will be notified when a ticket status changes, notes or time entries are added, a company broadcast is sent from DD Tech. Portal notification settings are global when enabled. All your clients will see them unless you apply advanced filters to specific contacts or companies. To enable notifications, first log in to your admin portal and navigate to Portal, then Notifications. Toggle on the Enable Notification switch and select the specific notification events you wish to receive. Remember to add boards for notifications, as no boards added means no notifications will be sent. If you want to restrict notifications to certain companies or contacts, use the Receiver section in the Advanced tab, and it's best to limit this feature to individual clients. Additionally, you can filter notifications by ticket status by adding them to the status triggers in the Advanced tab. And that's how you enable notifications. That concludes today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.